The Insta360 Ace Pro, the newest entrant into the action camera arena, appears to directly challenge the GoPro Hero 12 Black. Developed in collaboration with Leica, the Ace Pro boasts what is asserted to be the industry's first action camera, with possibility to capture video at up to 8K, 24 frames per second. The Insta360 Ace Pro follows the conventional GoPro-style design, featuring nearly identical dimensions and button placements as the Hero 12 Black. However, it stands out for being notably thicker and considerably heavier. The Insta360 Ace Pro is a well-built and durable action camera. It's made from high-quality materials and can withstand the rigors of everyday use. The camera is also waterproof up to 10 meters, so you can take it with you on all your water-based activities. The camera is equipped with a USB-C port for data transfer, charging, and audio accessories, along with a microSD card slot for storage. You can find a magnetic mounting system on its base, employing a secure latch mechanism, closely resembling the one found on the DJI Osmo Action 4. The Ace Pro is equipped with a 2.4-inch flip-up screen on the rear of the camera. The flip screen functions similarly to the one featured on the Insta360 Go 3, but it is larger and boasts a higher resolution. This marks the first instance of such a screen on a conventional action camera, providing practical benefits. It facilitates effortless framing of shots when capturing oneself and eliminates the uncertainty associated with filming low-angle shots. Additionally, there is a convenient small secondary display on the front. This display showcases current settings and shooting data, allowing for a quick verification of the selected frame rate and resolution before initiating the recording. Standard video recording capabilities provide a maximum quality of up to 4K and 120 frames per second, accompanied by automatic HDR when maintaining a frame rate of 30 frames per second or below. The video footage exhibits sharpness and a well-balanced color palette, although it doesn't surpass the quality observed in the Hero 12 Black or DJI Osmo Action 4. In a nutshell, reasons to buy: excellent low-light capture, handy flip-up screen, great stabilization, 8K video resolution. Reasons to skip: more expensive than the competition, only records 8-bit color. DJI Osmo Action 4. From the moment you pick up the DJI Osmo Action 4, its sleek and robust design captures attention. Built to withstand the toughest of conditions, this camera boasts a toughened exterior that can endure the rigors of extreme sports, underwater exploration, and adventurous excursions. The Osmo Action 4 doesn't compromise on imaging quality. With a high-resolution sensor and advanced HDR capabilities, the camera delivers vibrant and detailed visuals that truly bring your adventures to life. Whether you're capturing brilliant landscapes or close-up action shots, the Osmo Action 4's imaging prowess shines through. One of the standout features of the Osmo Action 4 is its dual-screen setup. The camera is equipped with a front-facing color screen and a rear touchscreen, allowing users to frame shots and navigate settings with unparalleled convenience. The front screen is especially valuable for vlogging and capturing selfies, ensuring that you always know exactly what's in the frame. Here are some of the key features of the DJI Osmo Action 4. 120 FPS slow motion in 4K. The Osmo Action 4 can also record slow motion footage at up to 120 FPS in 4K resolution, which is great for capturing fast-paced action. 4K HDR. HDR video can restore highlight and shadow details, and the 10-bit color depth mode is enabled by default. Rocksteady 3.0 stabilization. The Osmo Action 4 features DJI's Rocksteady 3.0 stabilization, which uses a combination of hardware and software to deliver smooth, shake-free footage. Waterproof to 60 feet. The Osmo Action 4 is waterproof to 60 feet, 18 meters, so you can take it with you in the water without worrying about it getting damaged. So let's recap. Reasons to buy: solid video quality, front and rear color touch displays, up to 4K 120 FPS slow motion, excellent stabilization. Reasons to skip: smartphone activation is a strict requirement, significant price increase, middling battery life. Insta360 X3. The Insta360 X3 boasts a sleek and compact design that is designed for on-the-go adventures. The device's small form factor makes it easy to carry, ensuring that you can capture your experiences without being weighed down by bulky equipment. At the heart of the Insta360 X3 is its advanced imaging technology, which allows users to capture stunning 360-degree photos and videos with remarkable clarity and detail. The camera's high-resolution sensors and precision optics ensure that every angle is captured with breathtaking accuracy. The X3 has a powerful camera system. It has dual 48-megapixel sensors that can shoot stunning 7K 360 video at 30 FPS. The camera can also shoot 3K 360 video at 180 FPS, which is great for capturing smooth, high-quality slow-motion footage. The X3 has a long-lasting 1800 mAh battery. It can easily last for hours on a single charge, even when shooting high-quality video. The camera also supports fast charging, so you can quickly top it up when you need to. The X3 has a number of features that make it the ultimate 360 action camera. These features include flow state stabilization. This feature provides rock-solid stabilization for smooth, shake-free footage. Invisible selfie stick. This feature lets you remove the selfie stick from your footage so you can get clean, unobstructed shots. Shot Lab. This feature provides a variety of pre-programmed shooting modes that make it easy to create stunning 360 content. In a nutshell, reasons to buy. Massively upgraded screen, fun and powerful 360-degree, active HDR mode, slim, waterproof build. Reasons to skip. Detail processing looks synthetic. 4K videos are soft. Mobile editing app limits resolution. GoPro has long been synonymous with innovation and top-tier performance. With the release of the GoPro Hero 12, the brand continues to push the boundaries of what's possible in the world of adventure photography and videography. The primary design distinction lies in the updated paint scheme, which incorporates noticeable blue highlights. This sets it apart from previous models, which typically sported a consistent finish. Additionally, a significant design change is the inclusion of a 1/420 thread on the base of the camera so you can take advantage of professional accessories. One of the most impressive changes of the Hero 12 is the noticeably enhanced battery life. Thanks to its improved power management, Hero 12 Black delivers 2x longer continuous recording at 5.3K 60, 70 minutes, plus over 1.5 hours at 5.3K 30, and over 2.5 hours of continuous recording at 1080p 30. Another important enhancement lies in the GoPro Hero 12 ability to seamlessly connect with Bluetooth microphones and earbuds. Once paired, you can use an external microphone for recording audio, which is simultaneously recorded as a separate track alongside the onboard microphones. You can also give voice commands remotely and hear alerts from your camera. The introduction of the GP-Log color profile is noteworthy, as it provides greater latitude for color grading and the ability to capture a broader dynamic range compared to standard flat profile. Additionally, the Hero 12 now incorporates timecode sync, simplifying multi-camera workflows significantly compared to previous models. The Hero 12 Black includes HDR video, HDR photos were already available, to enhance shadow details and manage overexposed highlights effectively. Video delivers greater detail and color in highlights, and is now available in 5.3K and 4K 60. Another cool feature is a 9:16 framing option for 1080p and 4K video, supporting frame rates of up to 60 frames per second. This native format eliminates the need for unconventional mounts and allows for direct posting in social media without the necessity of editing. The GoPro Hero 12 is equipped with a cutting-edge sensor that elevates image and video quality to new heights. It captures stunning 5.3K video at 60 frames per second, ensuring that your adventures are recorded with unparalleled clarity and detail. Whether you're documenting a serene mountain hike or an adrenaline-pumping downhill ride, the Hero 12 delivers breathtaking footage. In a nutshell, reasons to buy: improved battery life, vertical video mode, improved video stabilization, support for Bluetooth audio. Reasons to skip: lacks support for GPS data, camera overheating. That's it for this review. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe for more valuable content in the future. And if you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. I'll be sure to answer them. See you in the next one.